So spending money is good, saving money is great, but investing money is one of the best financial advice. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to go about investing with as little as 10,000 naira in 4 different investment opportunities. So if you like content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash passively and also actively online. So let's get started with the video. Some persons are afraid of investment because they feel investing is risky. They don't really know how to get started. This video is geared at those that are beginners in investing. I'll be showing you how to go about navigating your way through the world of investment. Number one is using the federal government of Nigerian savings bond. If you're a fan of this channel, I've been making lots of videos concerning the federal government of Nigerian savings bond, how this is an investment opportunity issued by the debt management office for the federal government of Nigeria. All you have to do on this investment is that you lend the federal government of Nigeria a good amount of money and they pay you in return an interest yearly for a period of time. It can be 2 years, it can be 3 years. For last month, they gave 18% as the interest rate per annum. The price range for this savings bond is 5,000 naira being the minimum investment and 50 million naira being the maximum investment. So let's say you invested 100,000 naira. For the first year, you're getting 18,000 naira as interest. The next year, you're getting 18,000 naira as interest. Then the third year, you're getting 18,000 naira as interest, and they give you back your 100,000 naira. So you've gotten a period of about 50-something thousand naira as interest. So that's one good thing about the federal government of Nigerian savings bond. It's less of a risky type of saving, so you can get started with this investment. I've done a video how to go about this, and I'll be linking it in the description of this video so that you get started with the federal government of Nigeria savings bond. The next investment opportunity I want you to know about is the Fintech Platforms investment. So on Fintech Platforms, you can go ahead investing and get a good amount of interest rate. Let's take Optimus by Afrinvest for instance. On Optimus, you get 20% of your investment yearly. So let's say you invested 100,000 naira, you're getting 120,000 naira at the end of that year. So that's one powerful thing about this fintech platform. Not just Optimus, you can see on Opay too. Opay is giving about 13% to 15 to 16% thereabouts if you invest on the platform. So that's, you lock your phone on the platform, they are giving you 16% at the end of the year. So that's one great thing about this fintech platform. Some persons are also scared that fintech platforms can go away with their money and they will not really get any return on investment, or they will lose their capital. But the truth is that most of these fintech companies have been approved by SEC, that's the Securities and Exchange Commission. So you don't really have to be afraid about investing with them, although there are some that can still run, but the chances of most of these fintech companies going away is very minimal. Platforms like Opay have stayed for a period of time. Now the third investment opportunity I need you to know is the Nigerian stock market. So you can go ahead investing in the Nigerian stock market and get some commission, but you really need to understand how the stock markets work. You don't really need to put your fund in an asset and all of a sudden the price of that stock keep going down and you not really make any profit. But you should also understand that investing in the stock market should be a long run something. You should not just invest now hoping to get 50% return on investment in just a short period of time. You need to give your investment a long period of time. Some advice I'll give to you while checking the Nigerian stock market is that you should check out for dividend shares. What are dividend shares? These are shares where you get a value in your capital, like you get a capital appreciation, your capital appreciates, and also you get dividend at the end of the year, or you get dividend twice yearly. So these are the type of shares you should go out for. When the banks were giving out shares like Fidelity, GT Bank, Access Bank, if you had invested in those type of shares, you'll get an appreciation once the price goes up and you'll be paid dividend at the end of the year. Now the fourth type of investment you should look out for is the US stock market. Yeah, you can invest in the US stock market using platforms like Optimus. You can invest in it using platforms like Bamboo. How do you go about investing in the US stock market? Now you might not be really too conversant with everything about the US stock market. Like you can not really know about Apple stock, you might not really know about Amazon stock and the rest of them. How do you get started? You can invest in ETF, that's exchange traded fund in the US market. Now ETF is a pool of investments whereby lots of other investments are there in that investment. Now you can invest in an investment like that and you get some percentage or you get some interest paid to you. So these are the 4 investments you can get started with. If you want more information about them, do want to drop a comment in the comment section. We'll reply you and also give you all the information you need to know about investing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as we keep bringing you ways to go about making cool cash online.